Welcome back everybody to another video. Today we're here with this GMC and we're doing an oil change on the 5.7 liter Vortec engine in this thing. I'm going to take you through step by step. So like, share, subscribe, and let's get into it. Step 1, jack up the vehicle so you can get underneath. Once the truck's in the air, grab your 15mm wrench, put it on the drain plug, lefty-loosey, drain it into your whatever pan you have, if you're using a bucket or an actual drain pan or whatever. Once it's dripping, pretty much empty, you go put the plug back in. Hand tighten this down, do not use an impact or anything crazy, just snug it. Oil filter, if you have four-wheel drive, obviously you have this drive shaft in the way. Use yourself one of these big pliers, grab the filter, lefty-loosey, have your pan here to catch all the oil. Part number for the oil filter I'm using is a STP S3980. Take some of the oil, either the new or the old, it doesn't matter. You want to just get this gasket wet, and then we're going to tighten this on by hand. And do not use tools to tighten it, just tighten it by hand. Under the hood, you take this cap off, lefty-loosey, set it off to the side. Grab your funnel, stick it in the hole. Take 5 quarts of 5W30, dump it in here, and then you can put the cap on and we'll check the oil level. Turn the car on for 20 to 30 seconds. Now we're going to wait 10 seconds and wipe off our dipstick and check it. After pulling the dipstick out, wiping it off, putting it back in and pulling it out, we're right here on the 3rd dot. So anywhere in this hash mark is good, and we're 3/4 of the way up the hash mark, so it's perfect level where you want to be. Hopefully this video helped you guys save some money. You should be showing all your sons and daughters how to do this so that they actually have some skills. So like, share, subscribe. I'll see you next time. Wrench on.